recording. So hello guys. So today, it is part 2, and Nora is just going to be going to her house back again to the big house, cause she's just gonna stay there for like one day, and she's just gonna stay there for like one day, yes. And yeah, I'm so excited. It's morning time. Dress and pack all of my stuff, and then I can leave this weird house and horrible house at the same time. Okay, so Nora is just going to be packing right now, and today it's gonna be a long day because she's in another place, and then her mom is somewhere different lately, and she's gonna pack all of her stuff. But before she goes to her house, she's just going to be eating some food, and to make sure she's all hydrated and all full with her food. Nora has been eating pizza for a long time, so you're not eating pizza. So Nora is just going to be eating is that called ramen or whatever? But yeah, hope she enjoys the ramen. So Nora's literally done eating her food, and now she's just gonna go. Maybe she will reach there at the night time. So the parents are still asleep because it is so early. It's like 6 p.m. Like, oh my god. It's like 6 p.m. and the parents have to wake up at 7 p.m. because Nora has school. Because they know that Nora's gonna come here, but their sisters also know that. But Nora's just gonna get. Oh my god, I forgot to put the kids to bed. Jeezer. Okay, so yep. Just gonna add all of the pajamas. So Nora has like 5 pajamas now because she's been lately buying on Instagram, and yeah, she loves Instagram. So yeah, she's just gonna keep all of her good clothes over here, all settled and all beautifully organized. Okay, so yep. And now Nora is just going to be waking up her parents and also waking. So I'm just gonna put the kids to bed because they don't really have school because they're still asleep. And they wake at 6 p.m. The kids. Yeah. I'd like nighttime. Like, what? Why do the kids wake? I guess good night, kids, again. I better. Where's the parents? Bruh, I forgot to put all of them in bed. That's so weird. Like, super horrible at the same time. So horrible. Mom, Dad, wake up. Good morning, hon. Wait, what? Hi, Mom. Hi. Yep. Did you have a great time? Yeah, Mom, it was super fun. And even I got a certificate. Wow, that's so amazing. Where's your certificate? Mom, it's in my bag. I forgot to show you early morning because I got a poop. Ew! Now go wash your poop. Sorry. Guys, wake up. Good morning, Sissy. Wait, what? Hi, Sissy. Hi. I can't believe you're back. Yeah, we're back. I'm super happy that we're off in school. And tomorrow, it is the first day of Nora's high school. Mom, I'm just gonna buy some stuff. Okay, hon, make sure to not steal. Okay, Mom, I won't. So, anyways, we're just gonna go outside. My area, black pink in your area. Black pink in your area. Black pink in your area. Shakira, Shakira. And like this, Spanish. Say manita. Ay, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será? Tony Corina isina yokito. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right, and can you feel that? Yeah. A better life tonight is all about the money, money, money. We don't need the money, 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 'cause it's all about the audience. Don't forget about the process. So I have nothing to buy. Back home, and yep, it's nighttime again because I'm just gonna watch a quick video how to organize all of this stuff because it's super horrible. But I like my house so much, but the problem is the design. The design is not too nice. Comment down below if you don't like how I design it, or do you like it? Comment down below. Like, comment down in like the comment section, and yeah. Take you somewhere, no I can. It was so cool. Mom, why is your card not like thingy? I'm sure. No, it was so cold. Oh my god, I reach at nighttime again. Take you somewhere to know I care. It was so cold. Take you back the deal. So that's the end.